Okay, Dallara Formula 3. I've got some time to find here. I'm a fair way back on the grid. I thought I qualified okay, but clearly not. Don't want to get taken out in the first couple of corners as well. Be helpful. So let's just try and keep out of trouble. We've got a fair few cars behind, but not as many as I'd hoped.
Car right.
I'm still getting a bit of stuttering. I don't know if it's this track
On the left.
or if there's something going on. I've messed around with settings, but didn't really see anything wrong. Okay, well let's keep going. It's a 25-minute race. We've got a bit of time. Oh.
Right side. You're in the middle. 3 wide. Clear on the right.
Well, that's not good. I've lost my nose. What happened there? I just braked and it went.
Your front wing is gone. Probably lost major downforce. Watch for understeer.
Oh, for goodness sake.
Damage is probably slowing you a lot.
Well, I'll put the brake balance a bit forward. Well, that's extremely disappointing. Yeah, I've lost a load of downforce. I have to go in the pits. This corner will be a nightmare. I don't know what to say about that. I just braked and it went. I wasn't even braking hard. Oh, the tyres are cold, but goodness sake. Okay, well, that's buggered that up, hasn't it? That's very frustrating. Let's go in the pits, see what we can do. At least learn the track. Oh, yeah, come on. Oh, come on.
You cut that corner and got a slow down penalty. Pit boxing. 10.
Wow. How disappointing.
5, 3, 2, 1. Right here. All the damage is repairable. Okay, punch it.
Okay, well that wasn't too bad, was it? It was just a nose. So we're not a lap down, so there's a chance we can catch some people up. I'll let you know when I catch some people.
The car in front has gone off.
Okay, we've caught somebody up who's just gone off track. So not a lot of drama really. So we got by then. That's the first car.
5.
Taking us a while though. We were catching them. Like a second a lap, so I'm hoping we'll get away from them. And then we'll go after the next one, but we've got a big gap. I guess with a slipstream, he'll probably keep with me now. So we're going after 15th, but he's a fair way ahead. Looking at me through there, aren't they? Well, we got a good exit, but anyway, yeah, he's right with us. So whether he's going to try and do something, I don't know. It's just going to slow us down if he does, but all I can do to stop him if he wants to. Like I say, I've been catching him over a number of laps, so I am quicker than him. But if he wants to race, he's going to race, isn't he? Can't stop him unless I can get away from him. We're 16th, so fair way to go to improve, I think.
2, 3. Right side.
Christ, came from a long way back, didn't he?
On the left. Still there.
Am I braking too early there then?
Still there.
This is going to slow us down.
Clear on the right. 10 minutes to go.
I am quicker than him, so I don't want to get behind him. So I don't want to sit behind him if I can help it.
Right side. Keep to the left.
But yeah.
Still there. Clear.
Yeah, not the place to go by. I got a better run through there than last time. Give me a bit of a gap. Problem is, I think the slipstream is quite powerful, so I'm not going to break him unless I can really do something. We've got the leaders not too far behind us, actually. It's interesting. Obviously, my braking is not as good as his. Oh, this is very annoying. We might go the long way, shall we?
Left side. 42.598. Keep to the right. Clear on the left.
Need to work hard here. Okay, got a bit of a gap on him there. Is it enough? Probably not. This is not all over me on this bit today, this time round. It's quick through there though. Not quite got a second yet. Need a bit more. Need a bit more. He's not closed, so that's good. Do a better job around here this time. Still getting a lot of graphics issues. I'm not sure what's going on. The computer is plenty powerful enough. He's closed up a bit there, hasn't he? Blimey. We're not getting away.
41.389.
We're a bit quicker than him through there, aren't we? Just need to get far enough away so he doesn't get the slipstream. That's what's keeping him with me. That's the quickest I've been through there, I think. He's making me work for it, so we're a bit further ahead this time. He's going to have the leader to let by at some point. Quicker than him through there, I think we were. Nearly a second now. There's a second, just over. Need to keep on pushing.
0.869. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Well, that's helpful.
The leader is running 39.081. 5 minutes to go.
Okay, have we got away? Oh yeah? Don't want to overcook it though. Yeah, 1.5. Okay, we're away. He's out of slipstream, so I think we'll pull away from him now. I'll give you a shout when we get to the next guy. Okay, we're 15 seconds behind this guy ahead, and I mean, we're going a second a lap quicker, or 2 seconds a lap quicker maybe, but that's not enough, is it, in 5 minutes? I don't think. So we're 15th. So obviously someone else has gone off. I don't think we're going to do any better than 15th the way it's going. Unless somebody else goes off. .101. Better. So someone's gone off ahead. You can see. So that might help us. So they still going. We're catching them. 13th. I think they're going again though. Not the best way to do a race, is it? Hoping people will go off in front of you. Assume they went off there. Yeah, they're still going. We are being caught by 14, but not enough, I don't think.
40.842. New fast flat for you.
Oh, it's a shame. I had decent pace. I don't know what happened at the start, why I went off. Cold tyres, I guess, and just too much brake, and the rear came round. Didn't do that in practice, though. Another little yellow flag I saw. That's in front or behind. I think the lead is the car behind us now. Yeah, they are. I think I've got enough space. Another yellow flag. Oh, it's that Axel again. He's off. 14 is off, though. Can see him. How long we got? This is it. This will be the last lap, won't it? A white flag this lap. So we're not going to catch him. 9 seconds behind. 8 seconds behind. So we are catching a bit, but not enough. Well, some you win, some you don't.
You have about 5 laps of fuel left. Last lap.
Last lap, okay. Yeah, we're not going to catch him, are we? see him though, can't we? Not too far ahead. Just out of reach.
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 4.2 seconds.
We caught up quite a bit, haven't we? Wonder why that is. Has he got a problem, do you think? All the others are finished. That's it. He's the only one we could possibly get anywhere near, but I think he's okay. He's too far ahead. So unless he makes a massive mistake and goes off. And we're just as likely to do that as he is, so... Okay. Let's have a look at the incident, shall we? See what happened to me at the start. Disappointing. I was looking forward to that race, and it just all fell apart. But anyway, at least we had a bit of a race with somebody. There we go. Okay. Okay, so here we are then. So we've got away off the grid okay. We're just coming into this first section of left-handers, so all fine here. And then I was just braking for this left-hander. I brake, and yeah, the rears just lock up, don't they? And then I was sort of, I didn't know which way to go. I was a bit stuck. And that's what took my nose off. Oh dear. How annoying. Okay, but let's look at the rest of the incidents. Okay, here's the grid then. So let's see what the incidents were. Okay, so a bit of an incident at the front by the looks of it. It's going to be a nose, is it? Yay! Yeah, there's no room there, mate. Okay, and then what have we got? Then behind, just somebody running into the back. Not good. And then, is this going to be me? Yeah, that's me. Yeah, just locked up the rears. That was, yeah. I was trying to keep out of the way. Maybe I should have just put my foot on the brake. I don't know. Anyway, now what have we got? Yeah, side by side through here is not a good idea, particularly on the first lap. But we made it. Well done. Now what have we got? Someone just out braking themselves? Oh, no, just some. Oh, God, that's so annoying. Why can't people just brake? Oh, Red Bull car. That's unusual. Okay. Oh, yeah. Just get a little foot on the grass there on the left and you're off. Easily done. Well done. Oh. Yeah, they're a bit tail end happy, aren't they, these? Oh, too much on the exit. Yeah, you got to be careful there. I think third was probably better. A bit softer on the throttle. Yeah, don't go on there. Oh dear. No chance. Hard luck, mate. Yeah, you got to keep off that grass. Nice purple, I like that. What's he going to do? Yeah, just going to touch the grass, isn't he? Yeah. Okay, and that was it. Well, let's have a look at the results. So, top split. There was only 2 splits. I actually gained some safety ratings. So that's not too bad. Lost some I rating, not surprising. So 38.8 was the best. So 30, I mean, he was faster than anyone else. 39, so I guess 39 flats would have been good. What did I manage? I'm all the way down here. So 40.8. So 2 seconds a lap slower than this guy. And 1.5 seconds slower than this guy. How annoying. I mean, 40.8, I'd have been, I've been up here, wouldn't I? In the top 10, maybe. Okay. Well, my mistake. No one else hit me. I just went off on my own, and that's what happens. Anyway, you won't have seen a lot of that race, but the bit you did see, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.